The BMW 7 Series is no stranger to making a bold statement on the road, and the current generation continues to push boundaries with its audacious design. Known for its massive grille and polarizing aesthetics, this flagship luxury sedan from BMW has sparked countless debates. However, for those who think the standard look isn't bold enough, Larte Design steps in with its aggressive visual makeover for the BMW 760i, turning the already striking sedan into a true showstopper. Larte Design's approach to the BMW 760i focuses entirely on aesthetics, leaving the powerful V8 engine untouched. The front of the car gets a major facelift with a new carbon fiber lip for the bumper. This lightweight material may not drastically change the sedan's weight, but it certainly elevates its visual appeal. Complementing the front lip is a distinctive hood design and sleek new side skirts that enhance the car's sporty silhouette. Moving to the rear, the modifications are even more dramatic. A large lip spoiler and a diffuser with subtle side fins redefine the back end, giving the 760i a more aggressive stance. These additions are not just about looks, they emphasize the dynamic nature of the car, making it stand out even more. What really steals the show is the new paint scheme. Larte Design chose a bold two-tone finish for this luxury sedan, with the bottom half drenched in a striking green and the top half in a sleek black. This unique color combination ensures that the 760i grabs attention from every angle, setting it apart from the crowd. Despite the visual overhaul, Larte Design opted not to tamper with the car's heart. The BMW 760i continues to roar with its 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 536 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 553 lb-ft of torque from 1,800 to 5,000 RPM. These figures are a testament to the 760i's performance capabilities, even without the M badge. The untouched powertrain ensures that the driving experience remains as exhilarating as ever. Larte Design has not disclosed the pricing for these upgrades, inviting interested customers to contact them directly for a quote. Installation costs are also something to consider, unless one has the skills to handle the modifications themselves. For those who thrive on making a statement, the Larte Design BMW 760i is the ultimate expression of luxury and boldness. It's a sedan that refuses to blend in, ensuring that its presence on the road is both noticed and remembered.